If you're interested in learning how to do this backdrop, then continue watching. This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. If you're new here, I am Charlene, and on this side of YouTube, we provide videos on DIY, decor, and of course, lifestyle. If you're a new subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. Hi. I am good. How are you guys? Yeah, no, but... Do I? That's I have that. You have to go down at the back, but look. If once you pass that, Courtney, you have to go down there and look and make sure so the height of it. You know Mr. Miserve? No, you don't know him.
It's supposed to be high as this?
No, come let me explain to you what needs to happen.
Oh, the ones to the projector?
Right. So go down there, so go look and make sure say it drop right at the bottom of the projector.
Your job that.
Am I job that?
Yeah. And me have to stay here, so and you tell me say go down or go up. Oh my son.
I have selected the design, gave it to the draper, and he's going to be replicating it for me. Right, so what's happening here is that we have used the binding wire to affix the board onto the stand. Down here, we're doing basically the same thing. So now he's outlining the fabric on the floor. Let's see if I can show you that. I probably have to go in some more. Right. So he's just putting in some anchor staples. Let me show you. Just to hold the fabric in place. Has to pull the fabric very taut. And as an event decorator over the years, I've been forced to do this myself. But as I get older, I definitely can't take this on anymore. So we have to contract out this job. Even though I just did one recently. Can't promise you I'm going to be doing another draping. So you put a shot in to start, and then he's starting the pleating process. These pleats, however, are going to be wide, right? So it's not a pinch pleat kind of a pleat. It's going to be very wide. So what's happening here is that we have placed the white fabric, and then we're layering the blue over it. But as the design comes together, you will understand why. Let me see what it looks like. And the shots. So these are the shots. And then let me show what the gun looks like. Hold on. Let's get a good shot. There you go. It's not as easy as it looks, guys. You have to ensure that the pleats are straight, and sometimes it can take you a while to line them up. So you have to ensure that the pleats are straight. So we are creating a backdrop. This is really going to be a meeting, and this is really simple. This is one of the simplest forms of a backdrop that can be created. So guys, the purpose of adding the white is that sometimes when you purchase the fabric from the supplier, it is thin and you want it to look really solid when in order to be able to create a fabulous backdrop. You don't want to be able to see silhouettes of persons passing behind it, because we do have a space. This is actually the service entrance for this room in the hotel. So the fabric is just being pleated at an angle this time. We're just having a little discussion a while ago about the stapler guns, and if you know, you know. when we are going through them, and sometimes they go dead on the events, and you have to reach for something else. But the one that the fabric draper is using now seems to be a really good quality. He said he got it on Amazon. And guys, you notice that these gentlemen don't use any scissors, you know. I normally cut the fabric with the scissors. They use their fingers to tear it. So these must be really strong fingers, right, Courtney? Because, see, they tear the fabric. So you basically rip the fabric, separate the pieces from it so that the guys can see. Separate it, right? So you rip, you anchor it at the top, and then you rip it, right? So these are going to be two straight lines coming in the same direction of the V. All right.
What do you have to do? Eh? Is that fabric?
Yeah. Courtney has to give you the piece, because the other way you take up anything when cut. All right, so I'm going to give you some perspective. Now look at it. You see the design coming together nicely. So even though it's a simple design, but it is quite attractive and outstanding. So guys, I'm signing out from the AC Hotel, where we've just created this backdrop. Like, subscribe, and share the